MTI See-Thru flexible PVC swing doors are ideal for industrial and commercial applications, from factories and food processing plants to supermarket cool stores and hospitals. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Manufactured in Australia from tough, resilient PVC and a cold-drawn steel frame, they open with a light push and automatically close after entry. Despite their great flexibility, they keep out drafts and dust, are silent in operation and act as a barrier between areas of different temperatures. Because they are completely clear, flexible see-through swing doors give an unrestricted view of oncoming traffic. The frames are fully welded with no rivets or bolts, and the unique free-hanging framing of the PVC ensures a perfect seal under all conditions. The patented self-closing ball hinges can be adjusted for different closing pressures and can be held open in the 90-degree position, closing with just a light push. Find out more from MTI Qualos on 1300 135 539 or visit them online. All the W's, mtiqualos.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.